My name is Santosh Malappa Kumar. I'm from Akulpur, studying in BTech second year. I'm going to expose about Vipassana. Vipassana, may I know anybody did it? Vipassana? You have heard name of Vipassana? It is हा एक विपश्यना म्हणजे हा एक विद्या आहे जे 2500 वर्षापूर्वी हा विद्या गौतम बुद्धांनी हा विद्या शिकली आणि इतरांना पण शिकवली. हा विद्या असा आहे की जे मी 14 वर्ष मी पहिली ते 14वी आहे 14वी पर्यंत शिकले आणि त्याच्यातून जे आउटपुट मिळालेलं आहे जे आनंद असतो सुख असो काय पण असू दे परंतु जे मी हे केले मी 10 दिवसाचा कोर्स ह्याच्यातून मला काय नवीन काय तर भेटलं मला शिकायला जे 14 वर्षात मला भेटलं नव्हतं. मी थोडं हिस्ट्री सांगेन. विपश्यना म्हणजे द वर्ड विपश्यना कम्स फ्रॉम पाली लँग्वेज. Therefore, vipassana means it is a special, and pasana means seeing or observation. Means anything which is seen inside our body. Therefore, vipassana means seeing things as they are really. What is going on right now, that's we understand. Nothing like in mathematics, let's consider a triangle have no any meaning. It is as it is we have studying. His person name is Satyanarayan Goenka. He born in Myanmar. Therefore, his native place is Indian. He born in Myanmar in Mandalay. It is a place in Myanmar. Therefore, his native place Indian citizen. Therefore, he born in Myanmar. Therefore, he came in 1969 in India and starts the Vipassana, and they create the many Vipassana centers overall India. Therefore, his family background born into a traditional Indian Marwadi business family. Therefore, after he did the Vipassana from Ubakhin, he is a person in Myanmar. From him he learned the Vipassana and he came to India and go to teaching the Vipassana. His full name is Satyanarayan Goenka, commonly known as SNK Goenka. After about 14 years of training under Ubakhin, this person in Myanmar, Goenka was authorized to teach Vipassana independently. His mission in 1969, he returned to India to revive the ancient Vipassana tradition and dedicated the rest of his life to spreading it worldwide. Therefore, he in Myanmar diamond business means diamond selling business means हिऱ्याचे व्यापार करायचे. Therefore, he came to India and started teaching the Vipassana. Therefore, during Vipassana is a 10 days course. In 10 days course, we should be follow 3 pillars, that is Sila, Samadhi and Pragya. Spelling P-N-N-A, but its pronunciation is Pragya. Therefore, these are the 3 essential stages of practice in the Vipassana tradition taught by Gautam Buddha. Because they play very important role during Vipassana, therefore our minds and our body controls ourselves. Therefore, I am going to tell Sila. Seal means its purpose purifies speech and actions, creates peace of mind. Therefore, Seal means to don't talk any deadly languages and don't behave as harmful to others or any insects or any animals, because our minds goes to आपलं मन हे होतं
शांत.
शांत होते हैं. Therefore, the five senses